question. Right now, what are you doing?
Are you listening to this podcast? Are you drinking coffee? Are you walking somewhere?
If you are not sure how to answer in English, don't worry. Today, we're going to fix that.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk confidently about what is happening at this exact moment.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Channel, where English is simple, practical, and real.
This is episode 4 of our beginner tense course. Today, we're learning the present continuous tense.
This tense helps you describe actions that are happening now, at this moment.
We use the present continuous for actions happening right now. For example, I am speaking. You are listening. We are learning English.
Notice something important. These actions are happening at this exact moment. Right now, I am talking. Right now, Mark is sitting. Right now, you are listening to us. That is the key idea. Something happening now.
Now let's build the structure step by step.
The formula is very clear. First, the subject. Then, the verb to be, am, is, or are. Then, the main verb plus ing.
Let's break it down. I am working. You are studying. She is reading. They are playing.
Remember this carefully. We use am with I. We use is with he, she, and it. We use are with you, we, and they. That's your foundation.
Here is a very common mistake beginners make. They say, I working, she reading.
That is not correct. You must include the verb to be. Say, I am working. She is reading. Never remove am, is, or are. They are necessary.
Another common mistake is forgetting the ing. Some learners say, I am work now. He is play football.
That is incorrect. After am, is, or are, the verb must end in ing. Work becomes working. Play becomes playing. That ing ending is essential in this tense.
Here is a small but important spelling detail. Sometimes we double the final letter. For example, run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting.
And sometimes we remove the final E. Make becomes making. Write becomes writing. Don't worry too much about spelling rules right now. Focus on understanding the structure first.
Now let's learn how to ask questions in the present continuous. We simply move the verb to be to the front. You are listening becomes are you listening?
She is working becomes is she working?
And short answers are simple. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Clear and practical.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after us. I am learning English.
She is drinking coffee.
We are studying grammar.
They are watching TV.
Say those sentences again slowly. Speaking out loud builds confidence.
Now your turn. Look around you. What is happening right now?
Maybe you are sitting. Maybe someone is talking. Maybe your phone is playing this podcast.
Create one sentence in the present continuous and say it out loud. For example, I am sitting at my desk. I am listening carefully. My friend is studying.
And in the next episode, we will use this tense in real conversations. So make sure you understand today's structure clearly.
Remember, grammar is not about memorizing rules.
It's about describing real life.
Right now, you are improving.
You are practicing. You are growing.
Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
Speak a little today.
Speak a little tomorrow.
And you will see the difference.
And you will see the difference.
See you in episode 5 on Everyday English Channel.